Hello friends, what's going on? Day by day your smartphone getting slower and the wallpapers icon packs are going to bore for you. Oh yeah, launchers are the parts which makes your phone use you real look, new look, real look. Okay, yes. For that I'm here with you. Uh, with the new launcher application, the early access application, the very classic application that makes your phone classic and unique for you. Okay, the punchy colors that makes your phone very boring day by day, and these problems are now going to get down. Yeah, so let's move to my phone and I'm showing you what's the new properties for that application and what's new features you are going to use uh, after downloading this application. Okay, this application is not much high MB application. Okay, only 10 MB, not going to take your RAM also. So download it. I am giving the download link in the description. Okay, go there, click there and download it. Okay, so let's get started. So now I am on my phone home screen. Okay, here is this application INDISTRACTBLE launcher. Okay, okay, open it. Yeah, you can see the classic view of your phone. Yeah, only the names of the applications are visible here, only names. Okay, this is the home screen. You get three options: call, tasks and the add favorite. You can add any application that you really want fast when you operate your phone. Okay, I'm here adding the WhatsApp. Okay, where is WhatsApp? Yeah, long press it and add to favorite. Yeah, you get the WhatsApp here. Okay, let's talk about this feature. Only two modes you get here. The first mode is, okay, go to device setting. Maybe device setting, no. Okay, change theme and the you get themes black and white. Okay, this white application theme is really interesting. Going back to the fluent navigation bar. Okay, you can see that very fluently you can operate and approach any application as fast as possible. Also you can get here the search box, you can access from here also. Yeah, very good. And here on the home screen you get time, your battery percentage and your option for setting the default launcher. Okay, the launcher preferences. In the launcher preference you get different option. They hide, manage hidden apps when okay, you can hide also applications, unhide also, show apps icons. Here is also option to hide apps or unhide apps icons. Okay, show status bar or not, that is the very good option for that. Hide search box, very search box, the application top bar is there, this search box, you can also hide it. Okay, different and maximum customization settings you get here also. Very handy use. Yeah, I have enabled the icon show option, therefore you get here. Also you can disable it by going there. Okay, device launcher preference, hide icons, yeah, and hide. Okay, okay, I'm going to here open it back. Yeah, icons are going to hide. This type of screen, I think it's more real interesting and morely classic. But day by day you're going to use it, and very interesting interaction you get with your phone day by day. And also you can change theme at night also, picking the night mode also. And but night mode is for pro, and going to pro you get to cost 300 international rupees. Okay, so that is the for today. And I think that it's very interesting, and this is the early access application, so you can also get it. And also give feedback to the developers, any idea you want. Okay, so let's stop here, and also tell me what you think about this application, also this video. This channels is about only applications. I am going to give the new applications information day by day, early access application, top paid application. Also see my video for the top paid application in the channel. Okay, so take care, bye bye, we'll see you in the next